Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the second puzzle. It's today actually Sunday, and unfortunately we have no extra puzzles, no additional for today, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, June the 24th, 2023. And later on I will do the 3 puzzles in the Friday edition. But let me do the binary puzzle first, because it's binary time, and this one will be number 66501. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10, that means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. And a no between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. And here we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are O's. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct. In 4 minutes. Well. We solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later on with the other 3 puzzles in the Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.